In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix bad quality TikTok uploads. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And the first thing you may try is to go into settings and there scroll down and find camera right there. Just go into it and now here hit on record video, and here you can change the record video quality. Now it's set to 1080p at 30 fps and I can change it, for example, to 4K 30 fps. That action increases quality of recorded video. The next thing you may try is to open up your TikTok and there hit on plus sign to start creating new video. Now I can record a short video and then hit on check mark to start editing it, hit next. And now there is one more option on that step to increase quality of your TikTok uploaded video. Just scroll down to the very bottom and there hit on more options and there make sure that that option allow high quality uploads is enabled, and in that case TikTok will upload video in full resolution, because in some cases when this option is disabled TikTok can compress your video and upload it with lower quality. That's all about how to fix bad quality TikTok uploads, so if this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.